What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to convert any image to a PDF file on your Windows PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, navigate to the folder containing the image or images you wish to convert into a PDF file. Select the images by clicking on them while holding down the Ctrl key on your keyboard to select multiple images. Once you've selected your images, right-click on any one of the selected images. From the context menu, select the Print option. This will lead you to the Print Pictures window. In the Print Pictures window, ensure that the selected printer is Microsoft Print to PDF. If it's not, click on the drop-down menu to select it. Next, decide on how you want the images to be arranged in the PDF. You can choose to have each image on a separate page or multiple images on one page based on the available layouts. Preview the document to ensure it looks as desired. You can navigate through the pages using the arrow keys. Once satisfied, click on the Print button. A window will pop up, asking you to name your PDF file and choose a save location. Enter a name for your PDF file, choose where you want to save it, and then click Save. Navigate to the location where you saved the PDF to access it. Your images are now consolidated into a single PDF file, which you can easily share or print. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.